The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Montgomery to Sheridan, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Elmhurst. The guaranteed rate field should seek safe shelter, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 236 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 336 and 357. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 123 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 290 between mile markers 2 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I didn't do that again. Not again.
The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Boone County